I am going to start recording. I have to sneeze. See if I can hold it off. Alright, good afternoon everyone. Today is the 2nd day of July 2013. It is Tuesday, the 2nd day of July 2013. Let's go over the results in the live trading room this morning. On the Russell we were plus 9, on crude oil we were plus 8, on gold we were plus 20, on copper we were plus 2, and on soybeans we were minus 15. It took us 20 minutes and 3 trades to reach $110 per contract this morning. Here is our spreadsheet. This was yesterday, a red day. Dun, dun, dun. But we came back. We're back up above 0 on the month. Soybeans killed us so far, though. Minus $288 on soybeans. How does that work? 12.5 times 23. 12.5 times 23. 287.5. It rounded it. That's weird. Yeah, I guess it did. No, 287. Okay, it rounded it because it was small. All right, 287.5. I knew that just wasn't mathematically possible without rounding. 287.5 on the soybeans is what we are on the month. Plus 60 there, plus 20 there, plus 330 there, and plus 145 total. 147.5 total over here. That's not right. No, that's right. 147.5 is our total on the month, plus 25 on the copper is the total for this column. Okay. Whew. All right, so last month we were plus 5,220 at the end of the 20 days. This month so far we're plus 147.50. This morning it took us 20 minutes and 3 trades to reach our $110 a contract. We placed a total of 13 trades this morning. Okay. That is where we ended the morning session. Okay, so we got our 2 points early, and we kept going. Now, let's do the trades. Now we're running a little bit late here because we had that problem with the software, the GoToWebinar software. So, or it was more of a network problem on their end, I think. So I'll just jump right into it. This is crude oil. On crude, we are plus 8 ticks. Okay, so you can see here we got a bullish cross. We had outlined down here that it looks like it was bottoming. There was some bottoming action, and it did in fact bottom right there. And the reason we knew it was bottoming was because the cycle had made it all the way, the green line made it all the way into the cycle without putting in a lower swing over here, right? Bottoming action. It moved up. There was an opportunity over here. We got long right up here, and we ended up taking a break even. I probably should have taken more than a break even on that, but I didn't. It must have moved really fast. The next opportunity was up here. We didn't get into that one. Okay. Yeah. We didn't get into this one over here. Okay, and we highlighted here that it looked like it had topping action in there, and it did top for a little while. The next trade was right over here, a shorting opportunity off the BBC. You see we had bearish divergence with red on the cycle. Down close off the BBC. We got short. We took some profit. All right. I was looking for an opportunity in here, but I didn't get any. Okay. There was another one over here. We missed a short right in here that we took. We took this short, and we just took a little bit of profit on it. What did we take? 3 ticks on that, I think. We didn't follow up any of the other trades. I was doing a lot of talking and training and stuff in the live trading room. That's why all these lines are drawn all over the place. But anyway, there were some more opportunities in here. And over here, long trade. We didn't take that. I didn't get into it. It moved really fast, if I remember right, and then it came back. So that was it. That was all that we did. Not a lot happening on crude oil this morning. Okay. Let's jump over here to the Russell. That's the next one. Here's your copper. Take a good look. There it goes. All right. Burn that into memory, right? The Russell. Okay, we got a couple of trades on the Russell this morning. Our first trade was right in here. We ended up taking 1 tick profit on this. Okay, we tested the BBC. We got an up close, bullish divergence, blue cycle, bullish cross, pull away, all that sort of stuff. We missed this opportunity. There was one back here that we missed, right back here. Same thing. You had bullish divergence with a blue cycle, bullish cross, tested the BBC, up close, and it did it again right over here. We got into this one. We ended up taking 1 tick profit on that trade. We missed this over here, and we missed this over here. Okay. This one would have probably been profitable had we gotten into it. Yeah, that would have been profitable had we gotten into it. And this one over here would have been a break even had we gotten into it. We ended up highlighting an area here that was topping, and it was indeed topping. We said it was topping up here anyway. There was a shorting opportunity here and over here that we missed. Okay, a long opportunity here that we missed, and a long opportunity here that we didn't miss. We took some profit on this. I think we took 8 ticks profit on that trade. That put us at +9 on the Russell, and I believe that's where we ended the day. Yes, indeed it is. Let's see, in here, there was a long opportunity right in here that would have lost had you entered it. It would have stopped you out. We drew in this area right here, saying we needed to close above that. We didn't close above it until way over here. Okay, way over here. There was an up close right here that you could have gotten long on. I wouldn't have liked the trade, but it did happen. It worked out. If you did do it, it worked out. Okay. In here, there's some choppy action, and this was all during the break. Also during the break, there was some movement, some pretty good movement down right here. Now I know there's a weekly trading zone on the ES somewhere around here, so that would have made us be cautious about it. Yeah, there's the weekly trading zone on the ES. Cautious about the shorts over there. Let's see, on the gold, we took a few trades on gold this morning. I don't know what happened here. I don't know what happened, but we didn't get an opportunity to trade that. Let's see, where do we end on gold? We're at +20 on gold. All right, we missed this little move down right here. And this little move up. We did take this move up right here. That is where we got our 2 points on the morning, right there. Okay, we got 10 ticks profit on that trade. There was more in it, but we ended up taking just 10. Right, we drew this up here, said it looks like it was topping right there because the green line got into the cycle and we hadn't put in a higher swing. Price moved down. We missed a short here. We missed a short here. We missed a short here. We missed all those shorts. Okay. We got a long over here. There was no opportunity to get into this. We didn't miss anything. We just didn't get into it. There was a short over here, and we showed a little bottoming action in here. Then it got in. It was a little back and forth because right up here there was topping action. Okay, we didn't put in a higher swing. We didn't put in a lower swing. So waiting for that to happen, there was an opportunity right here. Okay, again, no lower swing, but the setup did come along. Bullish cross, there was an opportunity here to get long, an opportunity over here to get long. We had said we needed to get up above this level, and we finally did. Okay, it took us a while to close up above that level. We didn't like this first pullback here because we didn't like the way the divergence was down here, but we did like this one, and we took it, and we took some more profit on that trade. I think on the gold we had 10 ticks, 4 ticks, and 6 ticks were our total wins on the gold. That was pretty much it on the gold. There was a trade over here. If you had taken it, you would have stopped out on that. We didn't take it. There was some more trades in here during the break. More trades in here on the short side. One in here on the long side. A few of them here on the short side. A few of them here on the short side. And there's another one setting up right now on the short side. Okay, so there was plenty of opportunity there on the gold this morning to make money. We made our 2 points on the gold all by itself this morning. Soybeans was our thorn today. We went, what did we do? We went short the soybeans over here, and we stopped out. And we went short the soybeans over here, and it stopped out. The first one stopped us out to the tick. The second one went through our stop a little bit, 3 or 4 ticks through our stop, and then it ended up going in the direction we expected it to go. I do anticipate that the soybeans are going to get down here to this blue line. That was there from yesterday. Yesterday I had drawn in this line during the live trading room yesterday, and I said expect price to get down to this level. It took it a very long time, but it did eventually get down to that level. I even drew a horizontal blue line on there. It did eventually get down to that level. Okay, it took it a very long time. In the overnight session, there were some opportunities here on the beans on the long side right here to take pretty much most of that move out. Then it flattened right out, got into the day session today, and it flattened out again. It is approaching this level again. When it gets there, who knows? All right, that was the soybeans. I didn't really look at the NQ today. We did take a trade on copper. I have to show that. We took a long trade on copper over here. Okay, we got long in here, and we took a couple of ticks profit in there. There were more opportunities on copper. I just didn't take them. Okay, I just didn't get filled. I didn't see them when they were happening. But there were more opportunities there on the copper. On the ES, we highlighted one trade in here on the ES, this up close right here. All right, going up into the weekly trading zone. That was the one that we highlighted. There was one short, but this was pre-market. But once the markets opened up, there was just this long trade here. Okay, that was it, guys. Now, if you have not taken a free trial with us, go to www.cfrn.net/apply. Sign up for the free trial. In the free trial, you get 5 days in our live trading room. You get 5 days access to all the indicators and charts that you see here. Okay. When you sign up for the free trial, you'll be sent an email that's got a video link in it. You got to watch that video. It shows you how to download everything. All right. When you get to the part about installing the layout, if you want my layout, just send us an email at support@cfrn.net. Just say, please send me your layout, and I will send you my layout. And you just need to follow the instructions to import the layout. Okay, you have to download the layout from the file, the layout file that I send to you. You have to put it on your desktop or somewhere where you can find it. When you download it, then you have to import your layout. Okay, there's instructions inside the video that tell you exactly what to do, how to do that. All right, follow those instructions, import the layout, then go to the indicator store. Inside the indicator store, this is how you get there. I right-clicked on the chart, went to indicators, come all the way down at the bottom right here. It says indicator store. That's going to bring this little window up. Inside the indicator store, there's this thing right here, CFRN indicator set. Just right-click on it and click install. Left-click on install. All right. Once you've installed those, then you will be you'll be all set. You just need to log off and log back on your DT Pro, and you'll have all your indicators. Okay, you'll have all the CFRN indicators available to you. They'll be in a little thing up here called CFRN. All right, just like that. The only ones we really use are the top one, the CFRN, CF Flow PB, CF Slingshot. We use other ones. We use the WTZ. And depending what you want to do, you can use everything that you want in the toolbox. But in the live trading room, we've narrowed it down to just a few. Okay. Again, go to www.cfrn.net/apply to sign up for the free trial. If you are on the free trial, you will be getting something in your email, probably within the next hour or so. Okay, telling you what it takes to become a partner. Now, I want to recommend, if you are on the free trial, you should try to become a partner before the long weekend, because if you're interested and you're on the free trial and you want to become a partner, you should try to do it before the long weekend, because then you'll have the whole weekend to go over stuff in the members area. The members area has 300 hours of videos. You'll have the whole weekend to start going over some of that stuff. You don't need to watch all 300 hours, though some people do suggest you do that. I would say we'll give you a couple that you should watch. Like the last one, the latest one, I think it was 117. Watch that one. Watch all 300 of them, 300 hours in one day. That's it. It'll take you a year to watch all 300 hours. But you get all that stuff, okay? And you get it all for 3 months. You get a lifetime license to the indicators, all that stuff when you become a partner. And we'll get you all set up so you can start fresh a week from yesterday. All right. That's it, guys. I am going to wrap up the recording here, and we're going to head out to Vegas.